Hi, welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, How Can a Girl? I have BoxyCharm, so I'm going to get right in. If you guys do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription for $21 where you will get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, which your box will be well over $121. So the first item that I received is these Moda powder and soft glow brushes. So they did put this packaging around it, and I am going to open it up and show you guys right now. So they are very pretty. They are like a very light pink, and this one is the powder brush. So as you can see, the brush is really full, and I really love that about these brushes. I love this brand of brushes, so I was really excited about receiving these. And this is the soft glow brush. So this product is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, no animal products used. It is the excellent source for wet and dry product, waterproof metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, secure bristles, professional quality fibers. So I want to see where the company was from. So they're from Munster, Indiana, and they are made in China. So like I always look if where something is made from, because I'm always wondering. So it does say the soft glow brush is used for highlighter, and the powder brush is used for the powder to create a flawless finish. So I'm just going to read what it says. This set is a dynamic duo for two beautiful brushes, designed to give you a graceful and glamorous look. With elegant rose, gold tapered handles, and synthetic two-toned white to umber colored fibers, this Moda BoxyCharm exclusive set is a must-have for any beauty collection. So absolutely, even just this alone, I believe that these are $28. I'm going to look at the price right now. But just getting one of these products pays for the box itself for the $21. Okay, guys, yes. So it is going for $29. So that's more than just the box itself, because the box is $21. You guys, this next item, I am so excited. This is the Wander Beauty. I love anything from Wander Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is such an amazing product. I'm so excited that I received this. Now there is 2.2 ounces, which this is the full size, and I'm going to check out how much it's going for. So this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Gel Mask is $34. So just another amazing product from BoxyCharm. That's why I love BoxyCharm, guys. I just get such amazing products for $21. Okay, we're going to get into the next item here that they sent me. I am so excited, you guys. This is the Cover FX palette. So there's a mirror on the top, and on the bottom, we have these absolutely stunning, beautiful shades. We have the highlighter. Look at that glitter. We have the brightener. We have another highlighter, so we have two highlighters. We have one contour, which is a very, very dark color, very pretty. We have the finishing powder. Look at that, like, sparkle. So pretty. Then we have the blush. So the Twilight is the name of the highlighter. Sunbeam is the brightener. Heavenly is the other highlighter. Majestic is the blush. Solar is the finishing powder. And Shadow is the contour. So this is such a beautiful palette, you guys. I cannot get over how pretty this is. Wow, guys. Okay, so this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette is $45. So literally, again, for $21 a month, we are getting awesome products like this. This is why I love BoxyCharm. The next item is this really cool shaped mascara, and I'm going to show you guys if it'll show up. This is the Bloom Volumizing Mascara, and it's like shaped in this really cool thing. And that is going for $29. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up to show you guys. And this is how the wand looks. I'm so sorry about the glare, guys. And the last item that they sent me is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. You guys, it's such a beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this right now. So I went ahead and swatched it. Look at how beautiful. There's like orange in there. There is like a deep red. There's sparkles, glitter. So pretty. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the bottle. It looks the same, like literally looks the same when I swatched it. So this is a really amazing color. And that lipstick is going for $20. So again, another amazing product from BoxyCharm. Okay, so I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is March's BoxyCharm. I did receive my boxes late for some reason. I do not know why. So hopefully I get my boxes on time this month, because this is March's and I am waiting for my BoxyCharms of April to come in. And if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Every single month I'm going to be putting out these videos. If you like these kind of videos, please give me a big thumbs up. And just, you know, I'm not perfect, guys. I say this in every video, but every day I try to become a better person. And with that said, just know you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. Please leave me a comment below. What is your favorite item that I received in BoxyCharm? Thank you, guys.